In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Crazyhouse on chess.com, setup and core rules. First, let's get you into the right place on the site. On the chess.com website, look to the left-hand menu and hover over Play. From there, click on 4-player invariants. Depending on your layout, you might instead click Play and then select the small board icon that opens the variants menu. When the list appears, choose Crazyhouse. This will take you to the Crazyhouse lobby. Now set up your game. Pick a time control that suits you. Faster times like 3 or 5 minutes are very popular and keep the game lively. You can also adjust other settings available on that screen, then click to join an existing game or create your own. Once the board loads, you're ready to play. Crazyhouse feels familiar at first, but adds a powerful twist. Every time you capture an opponent's piece, it doesn't disappear forever. Instead, it goes into your reserve, sometimes called your bank, which you'll see next to the board. On any later turn, you can choose to drop one of those pieces onto the board instead of making a normal move. To drop, select a piece from your reserve and place it on any empty square. The dropped piece becomes yours immediately and moves normally on future turns. This single rule makes the game very tactical, because threats can appear anywhere in an instant. There are a few important pawn specifics. You cannot drop a pawn on the very first rank or the 8th rank. If a pawn you've placed or moved reaches the final rank, it must promote, just like in standard chess. Promotion options follow normal rules, so you can convert that pawn into a queen, rook, bishop, or knight. You can use drops to give check or even deliver checkmate, just as you would with a regular move. That means defense requires constant awareness of your opponent's reserve as well as the board. Keep your king safe, watch for squares near your king that a dropped piece could exploit, and don't forget that capturing their attacking pieces can fuel your own counterplay. Beyond these differences, all standard chess rules still apply. Pieces move the same way, castling works as usual, and standard pawn movement and promotion rules remain in effect. As you play, glance at both reserves often, play actively to collect useful pieces, and use your time wisely, especially in faster games. That's all you need to start enjoying Crazyhouse on chess.com. Jump in, experiment with drops, and have fun exploring the rich tactics this variant creates.